Narrator. Did you know that one small misstep could be all it takes to completely change your life? It's a fact that might surprise you, but doctors have been warning for years. Most falls in older women don't just happen randomly. They're caused by common, avoidable mistakes that slowly weaken your balance over time. In fact, research shows that 99% of older women who struggle with balance make at least one of these 8 critical mistakes, often without even knowing it. The result? A staggering number of injuries, hospital visits, and even long-term disability. But here's the good news. These mistakes are preventable. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the 8 biggest balance killers affecting older women, what the experts say about each one, and, most importantly, how you can avoid them starting today. So whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, or if you're caring for someone who is, stay with us. This information could protect your independence, your safety, and your future. Let's begin. Mistake. 1. Wearing the wrong shoes. Narrator. Let's start from the ground up, with your shoes. You might not think much about them, especially if they're comfortable, but comfort doesn't always mean safe. Many older women wear slippers or flats around the house that lack arch support, slip resistance, and cushioning. Shoes that are too loose or don't grip the floor can lead to slipping, stumbling, or rolling your ankle, all of which increase your risk of falling. High heels are an obvious danger, but even sensible-looking footwear can be a hidden hazard if it doesn't provide the support your feet and legs need to keep you stable. Expert tip. Dr. Elaine Morrison, a geriatric specialist, says, "A stable sole, a secure heel cup, and a good fit make all the difference. Shoes are your foundation. If they're unstable, your whole body is." Solution. Look for shoes with rubber, non-slip soles, a firm grip, and closed backs. Velcro fasteners or laces are better than slip-ons. Supportive insoles can also reduce fatigue and improve posture. And if you have foot pain or swelling, see a podiatrist to get personalized recommendations. The right shoe can literally be a lifesaver. Real story. Margaret, 74, fell in her kitchen while wearing worn-out house slippers. After her recovery, her doctor recommended orthopedic sneakers with extra cushioning and arch support. They changed everything, she says. I feel more balanced and less afraid to walk. Mistake 2. Ignoring vision problems. Narrator. Now let's look at another silent balance disruptor. Your vision. Good balance requires clear vision. Your eyes send information to your brain about where you are in space. But when your vision becomes blurry, foggy, or distorted, as it often does with age, your brain has to guess. And guesswork is dangerous when it comes to walking, especially on uneven surfaces or stairs. Wearing outdated glasses, not treating cataracts, or skipping regular eye exams can all reduce visual clarity and increase your fall risk. Add poor lighting or glare from windows, and you've got a perfect storm. Solution. Get your eyes checked annually. Even subtle vision changes can throw off your balance. Ensure your glasses are clean, scratch-free, and updated to your latest prescription. Also, increase lighting in dark areas, install nightlights in hallways and bathrooms, and use contrasting colors on steps or floor edges to improve depth perception. Real story. After tripping over a rug she couldn't clearly see, 68-year-old Janice discovered she had early cataracts. Post-surgery, she was amazed. The world was so much brighter, and I felt less wobbly. It was like a fog had lifted. Expert tip, optometrist. Dr. Alan Reyes notes, vision is often overlooked in balance assessments, but fixing your eyes can dramatically improve how confidently and safely you move. Mistake 3. Skipping balance exercises. Narrator. Many women think balance just naturally gets worse with age, but that's only partially true. Balance is a skill, and like any skill, it can be trained. But most women don't actively practice it. If you're not doing balance exercises regularly, you're likely getting weaker without realizing it. The muscles, joints, and reflexes that help keep you upright degrade faster without stimulation. That's why walking alone isn't enough. You need specific moves that challenge your stability. Solution: simple exercises like heel to toe. Walking, standing on one leg, or practicing Tai Chi can work wonders. You don't need fancy equipment, just a few minutes a day. Try this. Stand behind a chair, lift one leg, and hold it for 10 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat 5 times. Over time, increase how long you hold the pose. Always stay near something sturdy in case you wobble. Real story: Dorothy, 72, started a balance class at her local community center. After 3 months, she says, "I don't feel like I'm about to tip over when I reach for things. I feel stronger and more confident." Expert tip: balance is a use it or lose it function, says physical therapist Lisa Cho. But the good news is, it's never too late to retrain it. Mistake 4. Poor lighting at home. Narrator: let's talk about your environment, specifically the lighting in your home. Poor lighting is one of the top environmental causes of falls, yet many people don't realize how dangerous a dim hallway or shadowy stairwell can be. Our eyes take longer to adjust as we age, and depth perception declines too. So if you're walking through your house in the dark, trying to navigate steps or avoid clutter, your risk of falling skyrockets. Solution: replace dim bulbs with bright, energy-efficient LED lights. Install night lights in bathrooms, bedrooms, and hallways. Use motion sensor lighting if reaching for a switch is difficult. Also, ensure staircases are well lit from top to bottom. Adding contrasting tape or paint to the edge of each step can help you see them more clearly. Real story: Sandra, 69, slipped on her staircase during a midnight bathroom trip. She now uses motion-activated lights and reflective strips on the stairs. "It's like the path lights up for me. I haven't had a stumble since." Expert tip: lighting is a simple fix with a big payoff, says home safety consultant Robert Geller. It's one of the first things I check in fall risk assessments. Mistake 5. Refusing to use support devices. Narrator: there's no shame in needing a little support. But too many older women avoid using canes or walkers because of how it looks or how it makes them feel. This refusal often leads to avoidable falls. A support device doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're smart. It's a tool, not a crutch. Solution: if your doctor or therapist recommends a cane or walker, use it. Today's mobility aids are more stylish and lightweight than ever. Some even come with built-in seats, baskets, or folding mechanisms for convenience. Real story: Teresa, 76, resisted. Using a walker until a fall fractured her wrist. "I thought I was being proud. Now I realize I was being stubborn. My walker gives me freedom, not limitation." Expert tip: confidence in walking often improves instantly when people start using support, says rehab specialist Dr. Mary Lynn. It takes courage to accept help and wisdom to use it.